Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from our home office here in Albany, Georgia. And ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about support. Support. Now, of course, all of you all know that I'm a part of a Livegood opportunity, and ladies and gentlemen, the best thing that has actually come across my desk in 2023, but I'm not going to toot the horn on that. I just really want to talk to you about giving support. Giving support. Now, many of you all know that I do run multiple streams of income. I really do. But my main focus has been Livegood, and why is that? Because it affects the masses. It's for the masses. It embraces the masses, and I'm telling you, the masses can succeed with this. But I want to talk to you about support, because a lot of times when people come into this space for the first time, you're going to run into people that have never ever done anything online or offline when it comes to being in business for themselves. So they're, for the first time, Livegood might be their first platform that they're opening themselves up, embracing, and wanting to share with the world. And they rightfully so should do so, because that's the kind of platform Livegood is. When you're talking about health and you're talking about wealth, you got a great dynamic duo right there. But what I want to say to you about support is, so often we find that when get excited about a business opportunity, we're racing, we're making sure that people are joining us, we're making sure that we're putting as much content out there, we're doing all kinds of stuff. We're being so busy sometimes that we're not busy, if you know what I mean. But if you don't know what I mean, let me tell you what I do mean exactly. You're being so busy growing and growing that the people that are coming in, the people that are building up under you and creating your matrix, is being left behind because they don't know what to do next. They can't reach you on the phone, you're not answering emails, you're not answering texts, and in some cases, you're not even providing that kind of information so they can reach out to you. So I'm here to tell you, please, first and foremost, make yourself readily available as a good leader, as a good support system, because a lot of these people are going to be brand new, and even though they might start out only purchasing the products, they're going to soon find, after they start feeling so much better, after they start having lab results that are pleasing to them, after they see their blood work, the numbers are going in their favor and they're healthier than they've ever been healthy before, they're going to want to start sharing it. And the first thing they're going to do is come to you. When they come to you, they're going to say, hey, ABC, hey, EFD, hey, Miss Cassandra, how is it that I can share this with the masses? I know a couple of people, but I don't know a couple of people. And just because I'm brand new, I might not know exactly what to say. So as a support system, what do you think you should do? You should definitely try to make sure that each and every one of your team members has a blueprint that they can actually follow by. And with that blueprint, you're giving them several different ways to be able to put themselves out there in front of as many eyeballs as possible, so that they can see that the people that are actually they're putting themselves in front of can actually see that, number one, Livegood is a winner, and number two, that they're going to provide support. But the best way you can actually share with someone that they give best support is, first and foremost, you be best support yourself. People will mimic exactly what you do. We always talk about duplicating systems. Well, we need to make sure that our behavior, our intentions, what we're actually putting out in this space, is duplicatable too. You want to help your people. At least, I'm not saying coddle them. I'm not saying hold everybody's hand until the finish line, but at least guide them so that they'll know exactly the steps to take successfully, and they'll be able to duplicate the same thing by doing that with the people that they actually bring in themselves. We have to be strong with support. And the reason why I say that is because so often people will see someone getting treatment over here, whereas they're not getting treatment, and they will not want to stay because this person over here has a winning sponsor, has someone that is actually giving them a blueprint, a guideline, something that they can actually follow. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Versus this person over here is non-responsive, doesn't answer the phone, doesn't have enough time for that person to at least get them started in the right way, or have a blueprint that at least shows them how they can get started with different resources and tools just to do that. Now, a lot of us, we've been in this industry for a while. This is not going to always be the case. You're not going to always run into people that have experience in knowing how to just take the reins and take off. You're going to have some people that come in and say, what do I need to do to get? I see the benefit. I see the vision. I feel the products working in me. How can I get this out there? And even though it might seem like something very, very simple and minute to us, trust me, you once were a beginner. You once were a newbie. And we have to not forget this, that there's so many people that need our tutelage to help them be successful as well. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that helps. I definitely wanted to put this out there because I'm seeing a lot of this. I'm seeing a lot of it. I see a lot of people that come to me after they join someone else and they're like, I don't know what to do. I've been in a month. I take the product. I love the product, but now I want to build the business. What do I do? My sponsor is non-responsive. They're not engaging with me. They haven't given me any emails or anything or tools or resources to work with. So let's step up, leaders. Let's do what we're destined to do. And the best way we can do that, to let everybody know that Live Good is the place to be for 2023 and beyond, is first lead by example. And that's giving the best support and the best leadership that anybody can actually handle and know that they can find success. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for allowing me to come to you once again. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Definitely click the link below if you have not joined Live Good and you say, you know what, this is a perfect fit. I want somebody to show me how to take the reins and be successful. And definitely hit the notification bell so that anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. God bless and have a good one.